My name is Ryan Hauer, and I'm the CEO and founder of Hauer Power Electrical. And here at Hauer Power, my job is to keep our crews working safely and productively every day. Aside from that, we want to bring the best customer service possible that we can, so we work every day to maintain and always improve that level of customer service and customer satisfaction that we promise to bring. We go above and beyond for our customers. Even if you have just a question about something small, we will spend the time and the effort to find you your answer or product. No project is too big or too small. We will stretch our efforts to give our customers the best experience and give them the best bang for their buck. Providing exceptional power is our mission, and we do that through our exceptional customer service. Right now, we're giving away new USB-style receptacles to all new residential customers as an added bonus for hiring us and our team. Our new commercial customers get the first 3 hours free labor. It's just another way that we do our best to make our customers happy. I've been in the electrical trade for about 12 years now, and I have to say I've loved every job that I've had. My last company was great, and I learned a great deal about the values of safety at that company. At the end of the day though, no matter what you're doing, you want to feel as though you've really accomplished something. At Hauer Power, it's a really satisfying moment to look back at our work and see how we helped a homeowner or business. Whether it's lights, panels, or maintenance, it's a good feeling to know that someone local has benefited from our help. Giving back is a big part of who I am, and I like to transfer those values into my business. Every year, we give a portion of our net profits to a local charity that we have spent time on getting to know. As our business expands and grows, so will our charitable and employee contributions. Our clients are everything. As cliche that may be, it's true. Without clients, a business has no business being in business. So aside from the financial aspect of our great clients, I actually have a personal connection with a large majority of our customers. This isn't because they have a lot of work for us or a lot of money to pay us with, but simply because they're just great people. Our customers are attracted to hiring us as their contractor because they have similar interests as us. Most of them are hardworking, philanthropic, and are just decent people who want some quality electrical work done at the end of their day. Right now we're giving away new USB-style receptacles to all new residential customers as an added bonus for hiring us and our team. Our new commercial customers get the first 3 hours free labor. It's just another way that we do our best to make our customers happy. Go ahead and click to get a quote. Go ahead and give us a call. If it's an emergency electrical service, then we got you covered. If you need something for the next day when we open at 7, we've got you covered. If you have a tight schedule, then we are the Edmonton Electrician for you. We're friendly, professional, polite, and we want to work for you. Give us a call and let us solve your electrical issue for you.